Hello, Josh here from Kissel Motorsports, and I just wanted to take a couple of minutes and point out some features of the all-new, highly anticipated Intimidator GC1K truck series. The truck series has been around for a few years, but one of the major objections in selling this to prospective buyers was that the bed, the 70-inch bed, didn't dump. People loved the size of the bed, but it didn't dump. So now, as of 2020, Intimidator has launched the GC1K truck. So they've mated it with the 1000cc twin from the GC1K platform and added dual actuated electric bed dump. So you still have your fold down sides, flip down tailgate of course. 1,000-pound capacity, 2,500-pound towing capacity. Everything else from the original truck series, the 8-ply 28-inch tires, 1.25-inch A-arms, electronic power steering, all that is still here. With this 1000cc twin, you've got a top speed of up to 65 miles per hour. So if you need to get some work done on the farm, on the back of your property, you can get there in a hurry if you want. Also new would be backup lights and tail lamps standard. You won't find a better built buggy on the market. Give us a call today or email info@kisselmotorsports.com for more information or to schedule a test drive on the GC1K truck series. Thank you.